Did you know that you can vibe code software and web apps directly inside of Gemini using dynamic view? And here's the types of things that you can build. I'm going to show you exactly how this works and the prompts to use inside of Gemini to start vibe coding today. So to access dynamic view, you're going to need to be inside of Gemini with a Pro or Ultra account. Then what you're going to do is go down here to Tools and then choose Dynamic View. You can see it says Labs. That's because it's a special feature that is an experimental feature that Google has rolled out for their Pro and Ultra users. Now in this case, I'm going to say create a custom site that shows me all the types of things that Gemini Dynamic View can do, along with example prompts for me to try. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change this to Pro so it thinks a little bit longer and it actually really builds this out. And again, in the dynamic view, and then I'm going to click Go. Now what it's going to do is load this animation at the bottom that shows that it's starting to build a dynamic view. And would you look at that? This is a great illustration of what dynamic view can do because it built an entire page talking about what Gemini can build for you. And then look at this, it actually works. Explore capabilities, it will scroll down, interactive maps, and it'll give you prompts. And then all you gotta do is click to copy them, and it will literally copy the prompt to clipboard. You can see here, study tools and flashboards, visual storytelling. Look at the animations that pop up. This was all created from this prompt that I showed you how to make. This prompt right here created this entire dashboard, and this is a great example. It can do full simulations and games, data and comparison, and it can do lifestyle design, and all of this are the things you can do with dynamic view, but this itself is an illustration. This was made with that one prompt. So I've used dynamic view to do things like create entire icon sets with the ability to download any of these icons and save an SVG file. All of this came from one prompt. If you want to check this out, I did another video showing how that worked. I can also use it to create logo designs, a variety of different logos with the same type of downloads. But you can see there are so many possibilities, and what it will do is create an entire custom-coded web page or web app for you from one prompt as long as you use that dynamic view. So if you found this video valuable, make sure you follow for more. And I've also got other great dynamic view prompts inside of my channel, so you can check that out and see some of the other things that I'm building. And let me know what you've done and what your best dynamic view prompt is in the comments.